Welcome everyone. Today we got the G.I. Joe Skyhawk. I have lost, there are supposed to be vertical fins on either side there. All kinds of stickers. Evidently Lieutenant Frederick Bama was the original pilot whenever I bought this one. I don't remember that character. Pretty basic vehicle. It does have a notch for the backpack, so the character would lock in place there. That was pretty cool. Did have instrument panel on the actual canopy, which is interesting. It's one of those things that looks cool, and as a kid I thought it was a really cool concept. Turn the engines that way and it'd take off. Now that I'm an adult, I realize that it would follow the sky when it was like that. Even there's no way this would ever actually fly, but that doesn't change the cool look of it. I think it originally had missiles that mounted here, got missile points here on the skid. It was pretty. I don't know if it had. Looks like it might have had something. I don't think it had anything there. I don't remember. I remember the vertical fins on the side, but I don't think I remember anything back there. I don't think there was one across the top. I guess I could have looked up on the website before that. Evidently this appears to be a cannon of some dual cannons in there, in addition to the adjustable, semi-adjustable. Go left to right a bit. Let's say I remember this being a cool little thing. It had a good, it'd slide good on carpet when I was a kid, so it was. That was what I mostly ended up how I ended up, flying it. There's all the angles and get a better, no details in the bottom of the engine. Just looks like some dirt there. Yeah, this little, got the turbines on the front. Okay, but I should have left the character up here so I could put it in there and show Duke or somebody in there piloting, but I didn't. And they're all downstairs, and I'm not going to stop right now. Anyway, that's the Skyhawk. Fun little vehicle. Like I said, we'll be back. What is today? Saturday. Day after tomorrow. Bring Star Wars back around. I got a plan in mind on this week for Star Wars. I hope it works out. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because it's going to keep going for a while yet. Bye.